I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. And are you searching and looking for the next Palantir? I'm talking about that stock that has been on to the next level. It is 5x, 10x. Well, look no further, because today's episode, I'm going to share with you 4 stocks. That's right, 4 stocks. One that you can add to your portfolio, do your research, and consider, all right? Because this is financial education, not financial advice, but financial education. And if you stay tuned to the end, I have a bonus stock of the 4 that you might have heard of. If you haven't, today is your lucky day. So the first one we'll talk about is Sofi. That's right, Sofi. And the latest news, if you have been paying attention, the big beautiful bill got passed last week. And Sofi has benefited and will continue to benefit from this big, beautiful bill. And in case you're wondering what the heck is Sofi and what are some of these other stocks, I'm going to talk about the price and what do they bring to this economic society that we live in. So Sofi is a fintech. That's right. Known for offering a range of financial services through platform lending, digital banking, investing, rapid growth and expansion. And with the way things are heading digitally, and Sofi is going to benefit from it. Definitely, that's why I continue to add shares to my portfolio of Sofi. And not to mention, also, you can download Sofi and start your investment journey today. Not just banking with them, you can invest with them as well, stocks and crypto. So do your due diligence, but Sofi is definitely has room to move. Now it will take the scenic route because it's not going to just shoot up, but it will take the scenic route from that current price of $19 and head into $30, from $30 to $50, $50, $75, $75, $100. But like I said, dollar cost average. Definitely dollar cost average into Sofi. Moving to Quantum Qubt. What does it do? It leverages its expertise in finance, computing, security, mathematics, physics, and to develop commercial applications for the financial, security, and government sectors. So basically, this particular stock has the capacity to solve complex issues, complex everyday issues that these big name companies, these big name corporations, the government has to solve. And Quantum is the one at the current price of $19. All these stocks are below $50. That's why I say these stocks has room to run up over time. That's right. So Quantum is going to be another one that's going to make our society much more efficient, much more easier over time. And what would have took 5 to 10 years ago, Quantum is going to solve it faster. Okay, because how it's going to generate the solutions to these problems. Okay, so definitely keep Quantum on your radar. Moving to BBAI. This one right here. This one provides AI-driven software that helps organizations analyze complex data, make crucial decisions. Companies' revenue comes from government contracts, although its customers also include manufacturers, healthcare providers, life science companies. Does this one have a similar path like Palantir? I believe definitely this one right here is a sleeper. Definitely BBAI is a sleeper. And I definitely continue to add more shares to my portfolio because I believe BBAI, this one has similar traits to Palantir. Let me know in the comments below, out of these stocks, which one do you see 5x and 10x? Okay, so let me know. Are you investing in some of these stocks, or maybe some stocks that I haven't talked about yet? Which ones? But let me know. All right, so but BBAI, that's right, BBAI is been making headways. It's been on fire, and it has a lot of upside. And that's why I see this one continue into next year and the year after that, making more upside and definitely making us more money, because it said government contracts, the manufacturers, healthcare providers, all these industries got a lot of capital. And that's why it's going to benefit BBAI. And if you have stayed tuned to this portion, the bonus, drumroll, SoundHound AI, sitting at $12.94 at the time's recording. SoundHound, a sleeper, one that's going to benefit from AI. The Nvidias, the Palantirs, the AMD, SoundHound, another sleeping giant that's going to wake up. Definitely do your research on SoundHound. Do your research on all these stocks. But leave me a comment below. Are you investing into any of these stocks that I shared today? Because now it's time to dollar cost average. Now's the time to do your research and continue to grow. Hey, continue to grow. I leave you with failure is not permanent until you stop trying. So it's through our failures, it's through our mistakes that we learn lessons. Believe you me, I failed multiple times, but once you get that one win, which I've got more wins than one through this season of my life, you start appreciating a lot more blessings. You start appreciate the small things. So failure isn't permanent. So whether you have messed up in your business hasn't taken off, you have messed up in your relationships, you have messed up just personally, and you feel like I just can't catch a break, I just can't get a come up, keep going, keep trying, keep getting better, and during those failures, learn those lessons, and then go back to the drawing boards and see what didn't work and what you can do different going forward. But failure isn't permanent until you stop trying. So keep going. Don't give up. Keep going on your dreams. Keep going on your goals. Keep going as you leave negativity, leave drama, until you find you a healthy friendship, healthy companionship, healthy relationship. Girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. Keep going, because you're just one win away from going to the next level. All it takes is one. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share with your family and friends, pushing this podcast to 2,000 plus subscribers. But I need your help. I need your help, because I really want this platform to grow. But you got to hit the like. Do me a favor, hit the like, where more generational investors can join the movement. See you. Appreciate it.